Díagí bheataine iniu tuimeaigh feicinint scíal a séideag story 16 ag Ceannach ticéid buying a ticket agus feicim go bhfuil siad ag an Stáisiún Ceannach. I see here they're at the train station. So feicim Stáisiún Ceannach, I see a train station. Tá fear óg ag oifig na ticéid agus the ticket Ceannach a Ceannach aige. So there's a young man at the ticket office and he is buying a train ticket. Tá airige de chóirt aige do bhean na ticéid. He's giving money to the woman, the ticket woman. Tá an ticket Ceannach a chóirt egg and man dó. So the woman is giving him a train ticket. Tá líne wee agus bríste géine garamir. He's got a yellow t-shirt agus bríste géine there. Bríste géine are jeans. He's got blue jeans on him. Tá awala drumma an urlor and akalesh. He's got his mala drumma. He's got his backpack on the floor beside him. Agus rahi and far og voord na Ceannach a young couple nómaid. The young man will go on board the train in a couple of minutes. Joey sé Ceannach, curry sé a mala drumma an radia agus sihi sé sies. He will get a seat. He will put his backpack on the rail and he will sit down. The ban na dickagy gober an oifig na dickage, so the ticket woman is working in the ticket office. To blue span he agus carawat garum agus do garum. So she is got a white blouse and she is wearing a blue tie, blue and navy tie. Okay, a blue and navy tie. Agus ta sé deith nóid chuna chuig an glug mala nacilahi, and it's 10 minutes to 5 on the clock beside her. Nílíon duna sa scúine ach a bhain an fear óg. There's nobody in the scúine, nobody in the queue except the young man. Ta trí chaighir tíomh hir den bhar ach níl aon duna in a sí arthú. There's 3 chairs behind the man, but there's nobody sitting on them. So cool ra feicim train glass in a stad ag an Ardan. In the background I see a green train stopped on the platform. Ta ban la class in a laviki ag dul voord na Ceannach. There's a woman with a suitcase in her left hand going on board the train. Ta bar Adi dun skirta du ritoga donna agus broga duha urhi. She's got a brown top. She's got a brown top, a black skirt, and brown tights and black shoes on her. Feicim fear in a sea an train agus an nuachtan a leavega. I see a man sitting on the train and he's reading his newspaper. Níl aon fashionary ella le feiceáil. There are no other passengers to be seen. So shot a gath rod fwing picture. That's everything about the pictures. Now the question the sample questions. Céir de ecan tú, what do you see? Feicim Stáisiún Ceannach, I see the train station. Cé atá ag oifig na dicéid. Tá fear óg ag oifig na dicéid. There's the young man at the ticket office. Cá bhfuil ban na dicéid? Where is the ticket woman to ban na dicéid in oifig na dicéid? She's in the ticket office. Conas tá an fear óg gléasta. How is he gléasta? Dressed. Tá si gléist a tíléine garama agus bríste buí agus bríste géine garama blue jeans. Agus cén or bríste atá what sort of trousers? He's to bríste géine garama He's got brown or blue jeans on him. Cahfuil a mala drumma. Where is his backpack? Tá a mala drumma an urlor. It's on the floor. Céir de tá a Ceannach ag an bharróg, what's he buying? Tá ticket a Ceannach aige. He's buying a ticket. Céir tá a chóirt ag an bhar do bhean na dicéid. What is he showing her or giving her? Tá si towards airgid dí. He's giving her money. Tá si towards airgid dí. Agus céir de tá ag towards ag man don what is the woman giving the man? Tá ticket a chóirt eki dó. She is giving him a ticket. A cían lav in a will and ticket ag an man. What hand is it in her ticket? The ticket is in her hand. Tá she in a lav a chlé. It's in her left hand. Cían tam tían tamé an glug. What time is it? She giant nomage or giant bomage honna quick. It's 5 to or 10 to 5. August care the tativ here than are what's behind them to three Ceannach full of a tiv here go. There's 3 empty chairs behind them full of a, not in the piece but nice way to put it, FOLAMHA. Care the Egan to Sakulra. What do you see in the background? Feckham train, Egan Arden. I see a train at the platform. Train glass, August Birch Passionary Le Fecal. There's 2 passengers to be seen. And will a train iglushacht no, and will she in a stad? Is the train moving, iglushacht moving, or is it stopped? Ta she stadiha, it's stopped, maar ta an ban igdul voord and train, because there's a woman ag shul voord and train walking onto the train. Agus Conasatan van a tiger board and Ceannach Glaster, how she dressed. Again, she's a lenya or a blouse done skirta glass or skirta do agus broga duha agus ritoga done brown tights. Cian Lavana will and Kaseki, what hand does she have the kids? Tashina Lava, yes, Seki, she has it in her right hand. Will Ian Passionary Ella Lefeka, is there any other passengers? Shat Feckin Passioner a wine. I see one other passenger in a sea or board and train. He's sitting down on board the train, Iglev and Nuachtan, reading the newspaper. Care the ta Yanu Egan Var Egan train, what's he doing? Teshig Lev and Nuachtan, he's reading the newspaper. Shot a picture a quick shade jig.